it just messes everything up. It's gonna sound a little selfish, but it really just screws the whole schedule up. Every week my schedule's like, everything's planned out. And so having a snow day isn't nearly as fun as it was back in like middle school, high school. In this week's video, we're doing some auction pickup, and then not a full booth reset, but we do need to move some things around. I just paid my rent for January, and now we are heading to go pick up auction items that I won online last night. And if everything goes to plan, I'll win stuff tonight and tomorrow at auction and pick up Friday. But we're supposed to get like another 5 inches of snow tomorrow night, so that might ruin the whole plan. We'll see. Oh, so cold! You're kind of at an awkward angle, but I'm going to try and show you guys what I got as I bring it out. First thing was this coveralls that is a size small, and you best believe that I'm going to try them on as soon as I get home. Hopefully they fit. Really thick, and it's a great material. I don't know if they're vintage or not. It's kind of hard to say. Good green color. And next thing was this vintage metal cart that has a creamy white paint and black on the bottom. I really like the chippy look and those two colors combined, so I had to get that. That was a steal. Next was this big wire metal basket. Could be used for just storage, putting blankets in, whatever. And all of these old wooden mallets. Also picked up this Atlas, where is it? Around here. It's an Atlas Power Company crate it's hard to see, but there's some design around the ends and it's black on the rest of the sides. And it came with this old ditch military shovel, and I also won these two brass ducks. And the last thing was this box of old feed sacks and linens. So I'll show you a few. I don't know how many of these are usable. I didn't really get to preview it, but there are a few that got some cool writing on them. And these make for really good pillows or other upholstery things, like a footstool or something like that. So I'll have to go through those because I don't really know what kind of shape they're in. That is auction one. It is the next day. I am going to go pick up last night's auction wins earlier than expected because they are calling for like another 5 inches of snow tonight. Even the auction house was like, we're gonna extend pickup till Sunday because of the snowstorm that's probably coming through. And I'm telling you, snow throws wrenches into the plans. Before we leave this area, I need to run into the antique mall and measure the wall that I'm planning on moving my clothing rack to. I'm getting really nervous about that clothing hanging off those doors. I just want to move them. And then I want to paint the doors. I know some people are probably going to yell at me, but I want to paint them, so. want to move it to this wall, but I don't have nearly as much to work with. And so I think this is 8 feet. So this was actually 2 faux wall panels that I put up to cover the pony wall that was here prior. And then I hung a rod off the end, the last like 2.5, 3 feet. And sewed like a drop cloth curtain to hang down because I didn't have anything else to cover up that last little bit of space. These I normally take down every year and use at Luckett's to frame in my space with 5 other panels that I have in my parents' garage. I'm gonna make 2 new panels this year and leave these up. They should be able to support the clothing rod a little better than the doors do. So this is currently over 8 feet and it's not gonna work. I think a 7-foot rod would be perfect, but I need to see what Lowe's and Home Depot have available. So the plan is take this rod down, move it to that wall, and then I'm gonna be actually able to utilize this space for more staging. They're gonna start yelling at me through the phone, but I would like to paint the back of these doors black. Now, pause. Somebody had already tried to do a whitewash on 2 of these doors, this one and the one down here at the end. I think I'll have an easier time staging pieces up against this wall once it's painted black, and I've been wanting to paint a wall black in my space for a long time, but I do like the white walls that I currently have. So it did end up snowing again last night, but not nearly as much as I think everybody was expecting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get auction pickup over with, and I am taking a special person with me.
Why is it so hot outside?
Ready to go pick up furniture?
Yes.
No, you're not.
I'm full, so I'm ready.
Okay.
What the? My granddad had this in World War II.
Like my military shovel?
Yeah, I literally just told the camera, my granddad had this in World War II.
But I figured either you would want it or
It's a good tool to have.
Exactly. I
in your
thought
truck.
so. That's what I thought too.
You can dig up dirt if you're stuck.
Yep, that's exactly why I kept it in there.
Yeah. Is that it?
I think so.
Oh.
You're wanting more snow?
I mean, I'm not opposed to it.
No. I can't do the snow.
I can do the snow.
Is it too late for me to get a coffee?
Mm-hmm. Never too late. You're only 22, so you can still sleep. She's 22.
Look at that.
Thank you.
Thank you. I need like 7 feet. I think 6 feet would be fine. Was that a threat?
This is 6 foot? That's a lie. Am I that tall?
I mean, with your boots on, you're usually taller than 6 foot, so. YouTube's gonna see this.
You're not gonna put that in. I know you won't. Unfortunately, I gotta stop and I'll be back in to do the second coat on the doors tomorrow, but I'm liking what we have done. I'm happy with my decision.
This is gonna look great with stuff up against it. Moving the clothing over here, much more stable. Nothing's leaning. I moved the mannequins over here. I think that looks really good. I kept the paintings there, moved that painting there. It's a work in progress, but when isn't it? Mike was super helpful, thank you. Yep, we'll be back in tomorrow. So here are the doors. Definitely needs a second coat. Need to finish this part on all of them, but I like how it looks. I'm happy with the black for sure. That looks so good. Yes, sir.
Mirror.
Uh-huh. You want to get it?
You gotta carry it out for us?
I might need some help, but I can. You would like to get the mirror?
Decide and just reach over and
There you go, and it's off.
You got it. Watch yourself.
All right.
I wish that was.
Well, that was a great sale. Oh Lord, okay. The doors are done. They look so freaking awesome. I love it so much. And the mall is closing. So I'll have to come back, and now I get to figure out what in the world I'm gonna do up here because, yeah, it's a wreck. I wasn't able to get up to the booth to do any furniture rearranging. It turned into a real estate heavy day. So I had to do a final walkthrough on a property that is closing tomorrow. It's a girlfriend of mine who's buying it, and she was like, did you see this mid-century couch that popped up on Facebook Marketplace? She sent me the link. Well, I went and got it. It's vinyl, it's not leather. It's got cleaner lines, but still has that really nice tufted look, so I'm super happy with it. And now we're heading home. I don't know where this is gonna go because the antique mall is closed. I would just take it right over. I would rather not take it to the storage unit, so sorry, Mom and Dad. It's gonna go in the house for tonight. I'm turned around because this stupid blue light. Anyways, so I'm at auction pickup now. Got some cool stuff. I think you're really gonna like it.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
I ended up just going ham on cleaning my most recent auction pickups. The day has gotten away from me. I actually have to run to a closing, and by the time that closing's done, I actually have to go to a showing. It ended up just being a cleaning day, but at least it's all done. I had so much more to clean than I thought. I always do. When I get home tonight, I'll work on pricing. Let me show you all the stuff that I cleaned. So that table that I picked up the other day is clean. All of that is clean, and the other piece of this table is over there on the ground, and it's clean. That stool, jugs, the Crocs, the planters, the hammers, the boxes, all of these, I guess, I don't know what I would call them, aluminum crates. Those are clean. This shelf is clean. The only piece that I didn't get to that I wanted to was this. So I'll probably do a little scrub clean on that inside the garage later. Finally, moving stuff in today. And I already got the couch off, that shelf, and a couple other medium-sized things. And it looks like we have a new booth person coming in over there. Kind of, it's hard to see. I'll show you later. They're doing a full install and it looks great.
Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's not ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go.
I was hoping to wrap this up today, but that doesn't look like it's gonna happen, so it'll have to be tomorrow morning. Let me show you guys where I'm at with this process. It is a mess, and I'm just kind of playing around with this new layout. I don't really know exactly what I want to do with it yet, as far as that piece and over there. Couch is definitely staying here for now. Love it up against the black wall. It's a little more masculine for me, but I like it. Maybe it will tap into a new buyer base. I have all this stuff. It's just so stinking messy right now. I moved that shelf here. Still need to hang up the jeans again. I don't remember if I told you guys or not. I had to go with a shorter bar because where the studs are in the faux wall, it didn't work with the 6-foot bar. It feels much more secure over here now. I'm gonna do my best to try and finish all this tomorrow. I have to finish it tomorrow. It's the next day and we need to get this done today. Supposedly massive snowstorm coming through Sunday, but if we can get this place done, and hopefully there'll be some good shopping Saturday, tomorrow. All right, let's finish this up.
So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Oh, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on
I feel like anytime I do something different with the frame of the space, it kind of falls into a category of a reset, but it wasn't a full-blown reset. It was just kind of moving a few things around and then painting this black. I think that's going to be the last major change that I make to this space before my next reset, which won't be until like June or July. I've mentioned this a few times, but the next reset or the next big thing that I do will actually be the Leckett Spring Market, and that will be in May. But I am happy that I did this. I mentioned yesterday that this feels a little more masculine, but I also feel like I can get a little more eclectic than I already am, and I can put some cool things up against this wall to really make it pop. Especially anything white or wood tone is really gonna stand out against the black. For the front space, I think I was a little too married to the layout that I had before. I moved things around just to see what that looked like, and I'm happy with it and how it currently is. If anything is going to change in the near future, it's going to be that space, but it's really going to depend on what I source and how I can make it all fit. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to hit the like button and to subscribe. Also hit the bell notification, that way you can be notified for whenever I post a new video. And please follow me at Amanda's Mercantile on Instagram, that way you can see anything that I do behind the scenes. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
What was that? He said he stuck me into an ice puddle right next to a condo. Oh.